There, her socks are on.
우와, 봄이 이거 봐. Aren't they pretty? This is a brand I found online. It's called A Note From. They sell these organic bibs and the colors are so pretty. They're like pastel colors. I want to buy them, but apparently they only take pre-order, so I'm trying to find out what day is the pre-order. I want this. Pomi. 이게 뭐야? Oh my god, what you do? 아이고 이뻐라. The swaddle is too big for her. Mommy! Mommy! Another one? Ah. This is a baby hour. We keep track of everything. It's almost been 4 hours since her last feed. So it's time to feed her again.
What the dog doing?
She clearly wants something else. Don't know what. Is it alright? Okay, it's okay. No problem. I got this. Mommy got this. Don't worry. It's 12:20 and here I am having my first meal of the day. For those of you wondering, Hee-chan is currently at work and I'm on my maternity leave. So I'm staying at home taking care of Pomi while Hee-chan's at work working. He comes back home around 8 p.m. so I'm here with Pomi most of the day. Just woke up from a nap with Pomi. It's true, people say you gotta sleep when the baby's sleeping. It's 4:15 p.m. I slept like 2 hours with Pomi. Honestly, I really look like I could have a shower, but can't afford to do that while I'm alone with Pomi. Oh, baby smell. Pomi is already 150 days old. Almost 160. She's a chunky baby now. She starts crying if I put her down. She only stops when she's sitting straight like this. It feels like she really wants to see the world now. Like if I put her down, the only thing she's seeing is the ceiling, right? So she starts crying. She's like, boring. Watch. The moment I put her down, like this.
등산 후 창업사업. 이제 아직 등산 중이가
굉장히 매력 포인트잖아요. 좀 좀비 같은 느낌.
Hello. Pomi sleeping. Chili paste and chili powder. The tofu is all broken into pieces.
알겠습니다.
맛있어?
응.
아이고 아이고.
아빠 왔어. 뭐야? 가자, 가자.
일어나자마자 샤워. What does it say?
인사철분 먹여라. Look how long my hair is.
Yeah, please go get a perm. Maybe this week. Maybe we have something this week.
I don't.
We don't.
We do. Oh, I have to go to work on Friday. What?
What? You do?
Because of you.
What do you mean?
You're the one that set up that plan. with
Oh no,
Liz and-
no, it got cancelled.
Oh, yeah.
Your hand is like a woman's hand.
What do you mean? 그치.
Bye. 우와, 봄이 이것 봐. 봄이 이것 봐, 봄이 이것 봐. 봄이야, look. 봄이 look. 응? 우와, 봄이 이것 봐. 우와, 봄이 look. 얘 뭐야? I wanted to show you guys around our photo booth pictures on our fridge. So this is the one we took recently with Pomi. Do you see it? Wait. I think it becomes blurry if I zoom in. So this was us just like a few days back. And I put this right next to my favorite picture of all time. We took this on 2024, October 20th. So it's around... Oh my god, it's been 2 years already. Wow. This is my favorite picture. So we have another copy of this because the photo booth, they always give you 2 copies. So we cut out the other piece and we put it in our phone case. So this picture specifically is in Hee-chan's phone case. And I think this one is in mine. Pomi! Lunch slash breakfast for the day. Fried egg, chicken nuggets, Korean style pickles, and this is soybean stew, but it's a thicker version of it. Hello.
Pomi. Pomi. 오늘은 언제부터
She was crying all day
Oh.
until now. Pomi 아빠한테 갈까?
안녕하세요. 오늘 봄이 보려고 일찍 왔잖아. 아야.
방금도 she was kicking my boobs the whole day. She was like push push 해서 지금 I think I have bruises all over. 진짜 oh my god.
Hi.
She said hi.
Yeah, she said hi.
Hi. Chicken breast and cabbage.
Thank you, my wife. We had 대게 risotto. We had lobster pizza.
Yummy.
We had creme something pop.
What?
Creme chowder.
Clam chowder.
Clam chowder. Yeah, thank you.
Do you guys like it?
I liked it.
Were there a lot of people?
Only 사모님들. Literally like 99%.
진짜?
Yeah. Boom boom pow. Gotta get that boom boom pow.
It should be boom boom pow because she's Pomi.
Oh. Boom boom pow.
What the dog doing?
Kawaii! So our schedule for today is to go to the bank first and then go to her mom's place to have lunch together and feed Pomi, and then go to IKEA, and then our final destination is our new house that we'll be moving into next month. We're going there to have an estimate of the room sizes so we can see what kind of furniture will fit in, because we're planning to buy a whole new bunch of furniture this time. I'm getting a lot of vitamin D.
Vitamin D. Yeah,
The doctor said I needed a lot. She said I was almost like a zombie because I lack so much vitamin D.
We should never go out.
I even got injected vitamin D last time I went to the doctor. Hee-chan just ran into the bank. Came here to get some documents required for the new house. Oh, aren't her new socks so cute? It's kind of big on her, but they're so cute. Wait. She moves around so much. She's so active. If you put her in one spot, the next thing you know, she's in another spot that's like a meter away. 안녕하세요. 여기?
손에 뭐가 있어야 돼. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
Rice cake, potatoes, and 포다리.
생선도 달라요.
오. 생각보다 가시가 크구나.
김에다가
밥.
I think you add the soy sauce.
밥이 너무 많아요.
소이 소스를 좀 찍어서.
찍어서 먹어. 이미 쌌어 아침에.
피는 거에
어디야?
이건 코다리죠.
어때?
여러 가지를 보여주고 싶은 아빠의 마음.
Going to our new house.
Soon to be our new house.
Soon to be our new house. Are you tired?
I want to get rid of this hair.
You want to get rid of your hair? You want to go bald?
No, it's way too long.
Oh, you want to get that K-pop idol perm?
I do. 내가 K-pop 아이돌 머리 파마를 해야 돼?
아니, it doesn't have to be K-pop idol, but you want to get a perm though.
어, 야. 파마는 해보고 싶지.
혼자 가 있네 그. 아이고.
나 힘들었지.
토야 봄이.
토리 뽀미.
응? 토리 봄이.
고생했어.
고생했어.
Are you okay?
강제로 누가 폼롤러를 겁나 누르는 것 같아.
You look like you're in a lab experiment.
You want anything?
No. Can we go in? 여기 앞에서만 서 있으면 되잖아. 토리 들어와. 들어와. 토리 기다려. 여기 있어. 토리 일로 와. 여기 있어. Hee-chan's picking out his ice cream. Oh, this is so cute. 오빠 포차코 stickers. They have so many things in an ice cream shop. Oh, they have squishies. Is that your favorite ice cream? 한 번 하고 끝이야? 두 개? Do it again. 한 번? That wasn't the proper one. Yeah, you failed. No. Do one proper one. One that wasn't proper.
That was so proper.
Oh. 그리고
이건 이거 소스야. 이거
네.
같이 찍어 먹어.
네.
소금이 더.
감사합니다. 침.
So cute. Which one's your favorite?
다 귀여운데?
그러니까 다 귀여운데 I would say this. 오빠도? Hee-chan wants to take this to his work and put it on his desk. So I open up this coupon app and today there's a 1+1 coupon for Shake Shack. So I think we're gonna go get it for lunch. Yay!
Let's go. 좀 잡아볼래? 좀 잡아.
But something like
chicken?
something crispy, and I want milkshake and cheese fries.
이거는 그 버거가 정해져 있는데? 쉑버거.
아 진짜? Shack burger, cheese fries, and milkshake. Yay!
Nice.
Wait. Almost done. Barely took 2 bites and he's almost done.
It's a small burger.
Best way to eat fries. Came to the kids' floor. Shopping for Pomi's clothes. Look at all those princessy clothes. Oh my god, look. Imagine Pomi wearing this. She's gonna look so cute. 귀엽다 얘도. We came for this. 맞아, 이거 so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. It's like a bath towel.
If you're not gonna buy the Hello Kitty thing, then why should we buy the other one?
There's a specific design I was looking for, but there was 품절. This place is so nice. There's like a garden and a rooftop. You look nice.
Thanks.
여기 사진 찍어줄까? 저기 가봐봐. 아니 하늘 색깔이 it's like perfect blue. 장난 아니야. It's amazing. 아, 나는 싫어. I don't like my outfit today.
I want to pick.
No, I don't like my outfit.
I want to take pictures of you though. So apparently Irene wants to buy something, so we're going back.
No, you want to buy it so that you can get a free parking ticket.
Well, it's much cheaper to just go to the parking and pay.
Parking lot fee가 얼마인데?
Probably like, I don't know, like 몇천 원 to 10,000원 maybe?
Oh, why'd you throw away the receipt?
Well, you threw it away.
I didn't know we needed it. You should have told me. It was on the tray and you threw out the tray.
Well, you were the one that was cleaning up the table when I was putting
Are you
Pomi.
seriously blaming this on me?
You should know by now. I always ask you for the tickets.
Yay! Go, Dad. What are the salons? Dinner for tonight. This is a very healthy meal because we have onions and spring onion.
Chicken and spring onion on top of each other.
Do it again. Do it again. He's always funny off camera. He's too shy. Are you a shy boy?
I am.
Why are you shy?
Oh, it's lime flavored. You know how they, like if you go to like a really serious gym in LA or something like that, there are those guys that are like spotting each other, right? So they'll be like,
To each other?
yeah,
Smacking?
yeah, like
A total stranger.
yeah, they'll tell you like it's like, hey, bro, hit me.
그렇게 하진 않겠지.
Then it'll tense their muscles up so they can, push harder or pull harder. And then Ronald Coleman would be like, yeah, buddy. Lightweight.
Opa, Pomi's crying. She's doing mini push-ups. She has to sleep. It's almost her bedtime.
Almost.
She's getting cranky. Look at her staring at me. Look at her hand. Look at her hand. She's like 쪽! 이렇게 올려놓고 있어. 쪽! 하고. Oh shit. We are 3 persons away from hitting 10K. Yay! Tofu udon. Noodles are made out of tofu. I'm gonna add in egg, fully grinded pepper, tofu egg udon, and kimchi and pickled kimchi, and Pomi.
잘 먹겠습니다.
먹겠습니다.
Thank you.
No problem. Do you like it?
I'll have to get used to it.
Mmm. Closer. Closer.
Very curly.
Goodbye, chewy cookie. 이거 먹자.
Okay. 됐어.
Okay. So we finished this 10-piece
1,000 piece.
a 1,000-piece puzzle around 2 to 3 months ago, but we didn't have a frame to put it on the wall. So it was left like this on the table for months. But we finally got a frame.
Then first of all, you need to move the puzzles onto here.
Okay, how? How do we do that? You have to slide it.
Yeah, we have to slide it somehow.
Ah!
Retreat!
안돼. 준비 시작.
잠깐만요. We gotta make sure. No, lift it up.
Okay.
Oh,
괜찮아 그냥 해. Just do it. We did it.
are you sure? Are you sure we did it?
Pomi.
Now we gotta figure out which goes where. I can't tell if the liquid has been applied or not.
I just had to show you guys this amazing product. This is not promotion or anything. I got it from my mom and she bought it online. So this is like Riedel Shot Eye Lifter. But the fun part about this is that if you apply pressure to this part, it vibrates. How does this even work? So you just squeeze out the tube and get the formula right here. And if you put it on your skin while holding the applicator, it vibrates. Oh my god, technology. Hi, Dad.
Hi,
Your hair looks more natural today.
I guess.
아니 필릭스에 있어서. 인사할래?
얘는 돈가스가 없는 거야. 그러면 그냥 단품으로 해서 시켜도
This is what we got. Buckwheat noodles with dipping sauce, buckwheat noodles with perla oil, and tonkatsu.
또 카트 뭐야?
돈가스, pork cutlet. Wow. Noodles.
보미가 집을 당기지 않고. 애기 있을 때는 항상 조심해라. 앞에 있는 거 다 잡아 당긴다.
네, 딸이 아빠를 국물이 있으면은 이렇게 들.
오빠 여기 와봐봐 카메라에. 카메라를 보라고. 썸네일 찍어야 되잖아. 가까이 와봐. 아 제대로 웃어. Stop chewing.
여기 나왔네.
What you reading? One cut. You know what I need? This is what I need. The art of spending money. This is the prettiest the notebook cover I've ever seen. Punch! Iced Americano and 팥빙수, red bean 빙수.
살아있는 전복.
I don't think she's interested.
Well, she's enjoying the ride though.
Hee-chan's basically showing Pomi everything.